Hello Meghalaya teachers friends and welcome to you all to your favorite channel Assignment Teacher YouTube channel. Friends, we have to discussion about math pedagogy which is applicable and important for MTET paper 1. And here the math pedagogy, here are the 140 plus questions which will be helpful for your coming MTET exam. Friends, you can see the first question is here, and we will discuss and we will continuing our classes on from the month of June. So you keep tune and subscribe my channel and being with us to make your MTET exam be success. And if you want this type of this kind of any PDF like MCQ of mathematics, MCQ of pedagogy, child development and pedagogy, and complete notes of math pedagogy and child development pedagogy, I will also prepare the AVS and English pedagogy and content paper MCQ. All notes for MTET paper 1 and MTET paper 2 will be available before on the last of May. And you should contact me if you want any help from me about MTET exam, and you can get help by contact me in this number you can see here. You can call me and WhatsApp also in this number, and I will suggest you and I will guide you how to crack the MTET exam. And very soon I will come with a new video, and in that video I will give you suggestion, and I will guide you how to crack MTET in easy way or easy method. So keep tuned with my channel. And if you want to any PDF of notes of MCQ practice question, then contact me in this number. And here I will discuss about 5 questions or 3 questions in this video. The first question is you can see, if a learner is having problem with numbers and calculations, she or he may be having disability known as disabilities relating with numbers. Disabilities relating with numbers and calculus. This is dyscalculia means calculation. Dyscalculia means calculation. From the word calculation, dyscalculia is derived, means disability in calculation is dyscalculia. Then by this way, by this method, you can remember, you can remember, and you can be practicable to achieve the MTET exam any pedagogy related questions. Okay. Next question. Mohan, a student of class 4, is able to answer all questions related to number system orally, but commits mistake while writing the solution of problems based on number system. Means Mohan is capable to answer any number related questions orally, but fail to write in it or to fail to apply in it in their daily situation. The best remedial strategy to remove errors. This kind of errors, how can we remove? How can we remedy? How can we remove that error from the students? Here are the options are there. To give him 10 practice tests, it is absolutely wrong. Then to relate real life experience with mathematical concepts, to provide him a worksheet with partially solved problems to complete the missing gaps, to teach more than one way of solving problems of number system. Listen, here is the problem is writing. Here is the problem is writing. Here is the option real life experience. It is absolutely correct, because but here it is not correct, because here is the problem is writing issue. The problem is writing issue. So if we solve the writing issue any problem, we have to practice with writing. We have to practice with some we have to practicing solve some writing problems. Okay. To then the option number 3 will be right and the correct answer. Next question number 3. A teacher introduced multiplication in her class as repeated addition, and then by grouping of same number of objects taken multiple times, she introduced the X symbol and further conducted a small activity of finding product using criss-cross lines or matrix. Here the teacher is developing a lesson and taking students from concrete to abstract concept. This is the answer, and I hope you will be helpful by this video. And if you want more videos, be keep tuned with us, and I am preparing with the complete notes of MTED, which will be helpful for your MTED 2021. Thank you friends, have a nice day.